Okay, so the meat that I got on sale, I'm making nachos. We're gonna do taco salad. We're gonna be tacoed out, but I couldn't pass that meat up for $1.49. It had to be made today. So I got Cool Ranch Doritos. These were buy one get one free, which they just ordered because they $6.29 a piece at Giant Heirloom. They're cheaper at Walmart, of course, but it wasn't at Walmart. Not that much cheaper. And then I got the nacho one. So we're making nachos. I had to put my chicken on. Now I don't like ground chicken, but I did season it very well, so hopefully it's good. And the ground chicken just don't. I don't like it, which is weird because I love chicken, but ground chicken is just ugh. Had a bad experience with it. I heated up my cheese already. Okay, now get the salsa. Oops, see it. The meat's still nasty. Hopefully this stuff will take it away. I remember at one time I did not eat salsa, y'all. When I say at one time I didn't eat salsa, I mean like recent. I just started eating it. I want to do this cheese. I should have did this one. That's the oven for the tacos. My mom still want tacos. She didn't want this. She's like, I still want tacos. Ooh, so I love cheese, y'all. Love it. And we're gonna do the salad. Ooh. Making a mess. This is what you call loaded nachos. And I'm still not done. I gotta put the sour cream on top. So this is all I have with this one. I bought another one today. I didn't buy the big one at first because it always ends up going bad because it's not like I use sour cream all the time. With the other one, ooh. Yes, I love sour cream. Let me get a little more because I got the sauce on. This is how it looks. Let me try to get one. See if I can get one with at least most of the stuff on it. Ooh, it's breaking. It's breaking. Let me tear this up.